What's good, y'all? So today we're gonna be removing a lot of stuff, man. All right, so right over here we got the GSR block just sitting here on the engine stand right now. A lot has not been done just because it's super gloomy out. So I'm gonna be stripping this down just to the block, and then we're gonna take out the rotating assembly. Honestly, I don't know how to properly remove all the parts inside the rotating assembly, all that good stuff. All I really know how to do is take stuff off, remove all that, unbolt random shit, hopefully get done what I need to get done. But yeah, we're just gonna prep this for the LSV tech. Gotta order the parts, send the head to machine shop, set the LS block to the machine shop. But yeah, here's the car as it sits right now. So hopefully we can get, this is the one step forward to being what I want it to be for the next season. I'm really getting tired of this red engine bay, man. I had this forever. So I did pick up some non-ABS parts, so this is gonna be completely cleaned out and everything. I'm not gonna wire tuck it or anything fancy just because it looks clean, but you know, that's just not what I prefer. And yeah, I'll catch you guys when we're doing the work. Fucking mess up in here, dude. If I didn't have to record, this process would be like 1,000 times faster, but since you guys want this, man, I decided to, you know, fuck it. Belt is very fucking important, dude.
Put on the magnet train. I usually put on the magnet train to food. Start taking every single one.
Yo, what are you fucking doing, bro?
What are you doing, Oreo?
Ow, my balls!
Hope you can smell it.
This thing's gonna be tough as fuck too. So he's a big boy. Should really be using my HD camera for this. Taking off the alternator right now. See if I can do this ASAP. Fuck, bro, that shit's untighter than a virgin. All right, time to remove the alternator. Oh shit, I'm getting robbed. Ah!
You know that's a lot of stress.
Yes, I know, but no one's coming to the preload. That's it. Yo, what's good, guys? So I'm gonna close it out here. Thank you guys for watching. Today we ended up removing the whole entire block. We got everything disconnected. All we gotta do is pull the crankshaft out. So in the next episode we'll be doing that, and we'll also be removing my ABS lines and my brake booster and all that good stuff. So catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.